This is worst product. I'm so addicted to this fragrance. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali, and today I'm going to share my perfume collections with you. This video was due from so long and I could not do it because of so many reasons. Okay, let's directly jump into the video. Okay, these are my perfume collections which I'm going to share with you guys so that you'll get an idea which one to buy and which one not to buy, because I have invested in some of the perfumes which are not at all good. Trust me, those are not long lasting and the smells are like So that's the reason I thought of making this video, so that you will get an idea. I know you cannot smell these fragrances through this video, but I'll try to explain as much as I can about this perfume so that you will get an idea what, like, which one to go for and which one, to keep it away. So let's directly jump into the video. So the first one, this is one of my favorites, Skin by Titan Celeste. Coming to the pricing part and quantity, this is 100 ml ka bottle and this retails for rupees 2,795 rupees, but sometimes you might also get it in discount, but the actual MRP is 2,795. But this is just amazing. I know you cannot smell it, but I'll try to. This is not too strong. It is somewhat like mild, very rich kind of a fragrance, I would say. The top note is grapefruit and orangish type. The mid note is somewhat like jasmine and water lily, and the base note is like sandalwood and apricot kind of thing. If you're a starter and you want to invest in some good perfumes, then I would highly recommend this. This is really good. The people who don't like strong fragrance, they can definitely go for it. And yes, coming to the longevity, this stays for almost like 5 to 6 hours. Trust me. And this I directly bought it from the Titan store. The next fragrance is this. This is from Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. I just love vanilla fragrance. Only drawback for this mist is that it doesn't stay for long hours, because this is a mist, this is not like a perfume. So that's the reason it doesn't stay for long hours. The quantity which I'm having is 250 ml and this retail for rupees 2,499 rupees. Almost like 2,500. एक रुपये में क्या जाएगा? Okay, so it's almost like 2,500, 2,499 is the actual price. The fragrance is just like vanilla. The fragrance is to die for. It feels like the moment when you enter into the mall, all those cookies shop, you will be getting that kind of a fragrance it has. So this has exactly like those cookies, biscuits, vanilla fragrance, and you will get water in your mouth the moment you smell it. So the next fragrance is from this Rene. This is Rene Bloom, and I heard a lot about this product. So that's the reason I thought, okay fine, just let me give it a try, because people were comparing this Rene Bloom with some of the high brand perfume, say like it really stay for long hours and all that stuff. And trust me, this is worst product. You can see the bottle is empty. Now don't think that I liked it so much कि मैंने सब use किया. No, not at all. There was some problem with this one, so there was so much of leakage. That's the reason I lost some of the product. I lost most of the product. I just used it twice or thrice and I really didn't like it. You know, the nozzle also doesn't work. See, I can't even press it. It's not working. So instead of wasting $5.99 for this Rene perfume, go for any other one. Okay, because nowadays you get a lot of options under $5.99, so I feel $5.99 is also not that cheap. But yes, keeping that aside, overall I didn't like this product at all. This Rene Bloom, the fragrance is just though it will not stay even for 5 minutes, means like just for a few minutes you can smell it and after that it will be gone. So it's just completely waste product and a big no from my side. The next product is this from Bella Vita White Oat. So this retails for 999 rupees and you get 100 ml of product, but you always get a discount on this, almost like 40% so you can get your hands on for approx 600 or 700 instead of 999. So this is how the bottle looks like. By the way, I forgot to tell you, this is also a glass bottle. This is a plastic bottle and this Rene one is also a glass bottle. So this is more of a like lemon, blackcurrant, patchouli kind of a fragrance. The fragrance is just amazing. I really love this fragrance. The people who don't like strong fragrance, they can definitely go for this. How to explain it? This is more of like cooling, calming kind of a fragrance and very, very mild. So this retails for rupees 999 rupees, and this comes in 100 ml bottle. So the next one is this British Rose from Body Shop. I really love this fragrance from Body Shop, British Rose. If you have not tried this, especially girls, go for it, because this really smell like rose. The moment when you apply it, you know, it is so refreshing, flowery kind of flavor, rosy flavor, and the fragrance is not too strong. This is very mild, and the people who have migraine can also go for this, because this is not so strong fragrance. This is very mild, and the fragrance is just amazing, and this also stays for almost like 5 to 6 hours. And this is Purana wala packaging. Now the packaging have changed. Now it comes in different kind of a bottle, which I have not used it. So this is the old packaging which they were giving it earlier. So it comes in this kind of a packaging now. So the quantity is 100 ml, and it retails for rupees 1795 rupees, and which you can always get it in discount. I have so many perfumes to cover, and I have finished very few. So हम जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे, okay? So another one is by Skin by Titan Raw, and this is really raw. This is such a rich perfume, trust me. So especially the boys, men, whoever just watching this video, just go for this, because this fragrance is so manly. The note is somewhat like watermelon and patchouli kind of a thing, and it is such a refreshing and cooling fragrance, so rich. I know this is more of a manly kind of a fragrance, but sometimes I just like to apply it. So this one I gifted to my husband, and he really loved this. Actually, he's not at all a perfume person, but recently nowadays he started buying a lot of perfumes, you know. So some of these are, half of these perfume collections are from his side actually. So he is also in my category nowadays, you know. Earlier only I was having that kida, you know, that itch to buy all those fragrances, but nowadays even he has the same thing. So this comes in 100 ml bottle, and this retails for rupees 2595. This is a glass bottle. You have to be a little careful, but all the men and boys, everybody who are watching this video, just go for this. This is really amazing. And the longevity of this fragrance is about like 5 to 6 hours. Go for it. Highly recommend this fragrance. And the people who don't like strong fragrance, migraine problem, you know, headache problem, even I do have migraine problems. Even I don't like strong fragrance, so I always go for something mild fragrance, you know, which just soothe me, which refresh me. The next one which I have is this Bella Vita ka CEO Man. This is not only for CEO people, it's for everybody. Joke apart. This retail for rupees 899 rupees, and it comes in 100 ml bottle. The people who like lemonish, lavender kind of a fragrance, they can definitely go for it. It has more of lemon lavender fragrance, but this doesn't last for long hours. It stays almost for like 3 to 4 hours, and you have to reapply it. He's my son. He wants to know what I'm doing it. Frankly speaking, the moment when you apply it, you will like this fragrance, but after a while you will feel like more like alcoholic kind of a fragrance. You won't feel that lavender or lemonish, and this stays for almost like 3 to 4 hours. But the name is very attractive, CEO Man, but the fragrance is just like okay. I would suggest not to go for this fragrance, because in this price range you will get many other good fragrances. So from my side, I really didn't like this fragrance at all. So the next one is this Tonic from Studio West, and whenever you're going for shopping in West Side, you can see all this perfume collection near the billing center, billing counter, sorry. So I bought from there only. So this also I gifted to my husband. This is a blue glass bottle, and the moment when I was just trying this, I fell in love with this. Seriously, it was so good, and I knew it that he will definitely love this. So this is more of a cooling, calming, refreshing kind of a fragrance. Whenever you just put on, you know, you feel like more of that citrusy fragrance, that more of calming, cooling. So this also I would suggest for men. I bought it for my husband, and he really liked it. Even though men perfume has written, the women can also apply it, no problem. Because I know few of my friends who don't like girlish fragrance at all, they always go for the perfume which are men wale because they like all that cooling, calming kind of a fragrance. So it's all depend on your taste, what do you like it. So this also I would highly suggest this one. This is a Tonic Studio West. You can get it in any West Side store. By the way, it comes in only 50 ml ka bottle and this retails for rupees 595 rupees. So 595 rupees में 50 ml का bottle तुम्हें मिल जाता है. The next one is also from Studio West and this is Studio West Paris Woman. This also I bought from West Side when I was shopping from West Side and ये मैंने छोटू वाला लिया था. This is only 10 ml but this retails for rupees 295 rupees. 295 rupees का मुझे सिर्फ 10 ml मिला. But the fragrance is so rich in vanilla, like a cookies, like a biscuit, like you like a vanilla cake. The fragrance you will get the moment you enter those shops, you know, that vanilla fragrance. Exactly the same fragrance it has. Currently this is my favorite one. So these two are having kind of a similar fragrance. The Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla and the Studio West Paris, they both are having similar fragrance, but this stays for almost like 4 to 5 hours, but this stays only for 2 to 3 hours. So it doesn't stay for long hours, but this stays for long hours actually. I'm so addicted to this fragrance, trust me. Any special occasion I'm just applying this. This is my second bottle. I think I should go for the bigger one because I'm finishing it very fast. And very recently I was just wearing this for my office, or really for my office. Generally I go for this Titan one and this Bare Vanilla. These two combination I really love it, but this time I just went for this one just randomly because I was not able to find this one. And one of my friends, she had given me comment by saying that you're smelling like a biscuit. It was very funny, but that's so sweet of her. I really love that compliment and highly recommend this. So the next one is this Body Cupid. This is Secret Love. So this retails for rupees 8.99 and it comes in 100 ml ka bottle. The fragrance is just okay I would say. It was smelling more like this Rene ka Bloom. The fragrance is somewhat similar, I felt like, but this was pathetic because after a few minutes like it will smell like alcohol, but at least this smell is like fruity kind of a fragrance. So this is also fine, but it doesn't stay for long hours. It stay almost like 1 or 2 hours might be, but not more than that. So I would not recommend this because this retails for rupees 8.99 for 100 ml and you can get better option like Tonic. So I'm not a big fan of this. The next one is this Bella Vita ka Oud Gold Luxury Collection and this also comes in 100 ml ka bottle. Just look at the packaging. The packaging is so good and the bottle is so heavy. You can even see the gold shimmery particle in this, you know. This retails for rupees 1099 rupees and this comes in 100 ml ka bottle. The fragrance is more like jasmine. The people who don't like strong fragrance don't go for this one because the moment when you apply you will get very strong smell of it. So the people who have migraine, who gets headache frequently because of strong smell, then don't go for this because this has little strong fragrance. So very rarely I'll be using it because I want to finish it, but overall I didn't like this fragrance at all, so I would not recommend this at all. The next one is from Engage. When I bought this Engage, I got a small Chotu Sa perfume also with this free. How tiny it is, so cute, right? Sometimes I just carry this in my bag because it's too small. I carry this, my vanilla favorite one. Most of the perfumes would be 100 ml or 50 ml, but I don't know in which angle this is 90 ml. So this comes in 90 ml ka bottle and this retails for rupees 525 rupees, and with this you will get a small sample size product as well. So again this is having a strong fragrance. The people who don't like strong fragrance don't go for it. It's not at all mine. It's very strong fragrance in the starting, but it fades away slowly. It stays almost for about like 4 to 5 hours I would say. So the longevity is also pretty good. It's very strong in the starting and it fades away slowly. So the people who don't like strong smell don't go for it, but overall I like it. So if you just want to try something out, you can just go for this one. Yeah, I didn't explain you the fragrance. It has some fruity kind of a fragrance. It's more of a sweet smell. The next one is this Bella Vita Honey Oud. It's more of a honey kind of a fragrance. This is 100 ml ka bottle and this retail for rupees 999 rupees. This is also a glass bottle. This is more of like honey, sweet smell, but I'm not a big fan of this, to be frank. The people who like more of jasmine fragrance with honey, sweet kind of a smell, then they can definitely go for it. जो jasmine के गजरे आते हैं ना, mostly वैसे type की fragrance है इसकी. I'm not a big fan of those gajre wali smell, so that's the reason maybe I'm not liking it. But the people who like those jasmine के गजरों वाले fragrance, so they can definitely go for it. But I'm not a big fan of it, so it depends on taste. But to be frank, मुझे Bella Vita के collections उतने ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आए हैं. ये White Oud was really good. Apart from that, I didn't like it much. The next one is this from Park Avenue. Price थोड़ा मिट गया है, so I'm not able to read it out, but I make sure that the price will pop up on the screen. This is Park Avenue Concure. And this is more of manly fragrance. मुझे उतने ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, for men I think it is good. And this is not too strong. This is very mild fragrance. So definitely the men or boys who are watching this video, they want all this mild kind of a fragrance which is calm, soothing or citrusy kind of a fragrance. They can definitely go for this one. So next is, these are the body mist. This is from Miniso. One is the body mist Joyful Dance and another one is Summer Night. So this is from Miniso and these are body mist, so don't expect that it has to stay for long hours. So this retail for rupees 260 and this comes in 250 ml ka bottle and the price is same for both. So this one my friend had gifted me and I really love this one, especially this one is Joyful Dance, the pink color bottle, because this is very refreshing. And this is more of a sweet flowery kind of a mist. The moment when you just take the shower and you step out of the shower, because you can just mist on your body and then you feel so refreshing, flowery type of a fragrance. So I really love this one, especially the pink color one. You can see I'm using only the pink one more than the green one. This is Summer Night. This is more of cooling type, and so this one is Summer Night. This is more of cooling, calming, minty kind of a fragrance. So these are some body mist from my side. The last one is this pocket perfume. I got this one. This is from Women Engaged. So this is a pocket perfume. This retails for rupees 70 and this contains 17 ml of product. The fragrance is quite strong. I'm not a big fan of this, so I would not recommend this one. Pocket, don't go for this pocket fragrance. Instead of go for something good pocket perfumes, but this one is not that great. When I was trying this out, I felt like this is having sweet fragrance, but it is not at all. After few minutes you will feel more of an alcoholic kind of a fragrance, so will not recommend this one at all. So these were my few perfume collections. I hope you really like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such video. Till then, bye bye, take care.